1295 days till new halving. Fear grid sitting at 26, which is fear, and Bitcoin is currently trading at the 57.8k. On the forum time frame, we're trading at a range of 58k support. Kind of not having that big of a confirmation there of a breakout, but we're still trading below the 200 EMA on the forum time frame, and same goes to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we're kind of trading at the bottom of neutral-ish zone of falling channel. It's not that bad, but it could be worse, but still kind of close to the neutral-ish zone, close to the 60k. Obviously on the daily time frame, we're also trading below the 60k and below the 200 EMA and below the middle of the falling channel. Obviously hoping to have a quick rebound, quick bounce back to 200 EMA. That would be pretty nice for us. On the weekly time frame, today is the new candle on a weekly time frame. Today is the Monday. Yesterday, previous candle close was, to be honest, extremely bad. We had we made a new low, which is 57.2k. If you're gonna compare it to the previous candle, it was 57.8k. So it's like a $600 difference. But the close was little at the bottom. The close was 57.2, also was 57.2k. So yeah, it's the close on the weekly candle, on the previous weekly candle, was pretty bad, and you can imagine the open on the current one was also extremely low. So that's not looking great. Weekly is definitely not looking great. Weekly MACD is also in a red zone. No signaling of flipping or some bullish sentiment on MACD. Monthly time frame, again, 2 days ago we had the close of the previous candle, which was August, open of September, and open was also pretty low compared to the previous day that we had, like some was trading at least about the 60k, but the close was 58.9k on the August candle, which is extremely low compared to the previous day and what we were expecting, to be honest. And you can imagine the open was also pretty low, but on a monthly time frame, our lows, lower shadows getting brought up pretty quickly, and you can imagine that's a good signal on a monthly MACD, on a monthly time frame. But monthly MACD is continuing to signal to us a bearish movement, a bearish momentum, which is again, monthly MACD is a really important time frame. So we'll see how that would be evolving, but it's pretty concerning. But if you're gonna compare, for example, to the 2021, we had really rough flipping to the bearish side in the Bitcoin, especially in September. September was the last one, and then out of nowhere we made a new all-time high on October. So yeah, it's maybe we're gonna have the same correlation there in September. Right now we're in September, so maybe the next candle would be great. Would be a new all-time high. I would be not surprised there. How the Bitcoin goes. So yeah, that's pretty much all for the Bitcoin. Ethereum is correlating with the Bitcoin. No changes there. Ethereum Bitcoin pairs trading at the bottom of the falling wedge. Also no changes there. But Bitcoin dominance is pumping. It's sitting right now at the 57.6%, trying to have a confirmation on a breakout out of the 57.5%. And again, that's gonna be a new 3-year high on a Bitcoin dominance. Again, a lot of people coming for the altcoin season, but we're about to make new all-time high on the BTC dominance. So that's and Ethereum dominance flat, trading at the bottom of the 2-year low, right now sitting at 14.8%. So that's the gold trading close to the all-time high, trying to consolidate in their range. Again, no success at making new all-time high there for the gold. So that's pretty much all TA for today. Obviously hoping to bounce back to 200 EMA to have a breakout of the 60k, really important zone. Also, I forgot to say, today is the last day of ghost month. Today is the last day of a ghost month. The beginning was August 4 and the end September 2. Today is September 2 and today is the last day of a ghost month. Again, we'll see how the close would be on the current day and how the current month would go. But actually, if you're gonna look at the average median of Bitcoin monthly returns each month, compared to the previous cycle, all cycles combined, you're gonna see that September, which is the current month, is the worst, always the red one. And you know, the current month is September, and yeah, it's looking pretty rough. But at the same time, second worst. Did I previously said second best? Second worst is August, which was previously. It usually gives us like 1.7% return, which is second lowest, and first lowest is the current month September, like it's completely negative, -4%. So we'll see how this current month will go and what's gonna be the outcome of the ghost month and obviously the September. But again, October, oh boy, look at the October average 26% return. Would love to see that. Also in the news, Bitcoin miners see worst revenue in 11 months as difficulty climbs, and BTC price is kind of going down slightly. It's kind of wavy, extremely wavy if you're gonna look at the falling channel. It's been for like almost half of the year of Bitcoin was trading in a falling channel in daily time frame. So that's for the Bitcoin miners. Again, if you're a miner, you can comment what is your situation, how profitable are you. So that's for the miners, that's for the ghost month, that's for the Bitcoin monthly returns. Again, September. I wish September was a bullish one, but yeah, usually September is the worst month of in a Bitcoin. It just you know, you cannot go against that. But we'll see. Maybe this one will be something different. So that's pretty much all news TA for today. Obviously hoping for a breakout out of the 200 EMA on a daily time frame, going back to the 60k zone, to the neutral-ish zone on a falling channel on a daily time frame, and going back finally to the top of the falling channel, have a breakout out of that, which is slightly right now would be currently at 69k resistance, which is falling channel top on the daily time frame. And obviously after that, all-time high, new all-time high. Maybe in the next month we'll gonna see that if you obviously gonna look at the average return on October, 26% is pretty promising. And at the same time, there's debate are coming. We got 8 days left till the debate between Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. Maybe some crypto will be mentioned there, maybe Bitcoin, maybe Donald would mention there. We'll see what's gonna be outcome of that. But the most important that is on the year right now for the Bitcoin is obviously election. Election is the most important one. How Bitcoin will react after the election, because usually it is a bullish sentiment, bullish bull run there, bullish run. So we'll see. So to the moon.